Hey guys, welcome to Dylan's Little Hobbies, and look at what I got. Let's move the ships out of the way. Check it out. I got the X-Wing Rebel Alliance conversion kit for the 1.0 ships to 2.0. You know what's funny about it? I actually don't have a lot of 1.0 Rebel ships. I have 3 factions. I have the Rebel, a couple of the Resistance ships, and then I of course have the Empire. Let's try to show you guys all of the ships at once. I'm gonna try to at least. Maybe I should close that. Let's do it. So, we'll just go through ship. This video is probably gonna be, I don't want it to be too long. It's probably gonna end up being 20 plus minutes. Hopefully not too long for you guys, but, yeah, so, let me go ahead and just take out the Resistance, the Rebels. Let me go ahead and take the Rebel ships out. The Rebel ships that I do own, because I own a few of them. So, I got 3 Rebel X-Wings. I have Sabine's TIE Fighter and a Ewing. And that's all I have for the Rebels. Oh, you got a Y-Wing. That's all I have for the Rebel Alliance in terms of ships. I know I need to get more ships. But now I don't have to worry about getting the 1.0 stuff anymore, because looky, I got the big old Rebel conversion kits, and there'll be a lot of cards, a lot of pilots, and you know, I'm just going to unbox it, show you guys what's up, show you what I have, and go from there. Let's go ahead and do it. Just need my scissors. Just needs my scissors. Okay. There we go. Alright. There we go. There we go. Let's go ahead and pop it open. What should I pop it open at? I guess the front is good. The top is good. Oh boy, so we're gonna have lots and lots to go through here. Alright. Let's just go like that. Alright, so we got lots and lots and lots to go through. First up, let's go ahead and look at the pilots, shall we? So what I'll do is, I won't go through any pilots. I'll look through them, and if there's a certain pilot that I think is really cool, I'll talk more about it. But more importantly, I just want to show you what comes in this pack. And I can tell you this right away. This is a deck. This is a deck of cards right here. Look at that. That is a thick deck of cards. Not the other thing. Deck of cards. So first off, and you know, I have a couple 1.0 ships here. Most of them are 2.0. I tried to get only the 2.0. I already had Wedge, but I really like Wedge's ability. While you perform an attack, the defender rolls 1 fewer defense dice. That is a really impressive card. Cavenduris, after you spin a focus token, you may choose one friendly ship at range 1 through 3. That ship gains 1 focus token. I really like this guy as well. I have him. Biggs Darklight. Red Squadron Veteran. Red Squadron Veteran. Blue Squadron Veteran. Blue Squadron Veteran. There's always going to be those type of ships. Okay. And yeah, that seems to be it for the T65 in this pack so far. Dutch Vander, I really like. We're changing to the Y-Wings. After you perform the focus action, you may choose one friendly ship at range 1 through 3. That ship may acquire a lock on the object you locked. Ignore range restrictions. I really like this guy's pilot ability, and I have the 2.0 Y-Wing. I also have this card. Horton Slam. Horton Slam has a really good one. While you perform an attack, you may re-roll 1 attack dice for each of your friendly ships in range 1. So that means if you have, for instance, a close squadron here, and I mean like a close squadron here, say you went something like that, then that means you get to roll 2 extra attack dice when you fight. That's like an amazing power grade for the Rebels. Gold Squadron Leader, Gold Squadron Veteran, Gray Squadron. Alright, now we go to A-Wing. I don't have any A-Wings, but Jake Farrell. Here's a couple of really cool airings. Green Squadron Pilot, that's an A-Wing. Phoenix Squadron Pilot isn't somebody special apparently. B-Wings, you know what? Of all of the Rebel ships, and this is just me, I am not a fan of the B-Wing. But here we go. We got some B-Wings. We got Rail Strand. Yep. How many B-Wings are there? Blue Squadron. Alright, so now we go to Z95s. Z95 Headhunter. You know, this is great because I was going to buy a Z95 the other day. I haven't had the chance to, but I wanted to buy a Z95 the other day. I plan to get it very soon. Let's go ahead and show you who's on the Z95. Tala Squadron Pilots. Seems to be a nobody. And then Bandit Squadron Pilot. Pretty much a nobody. Arena Cracks. After you perform an attack, you may choose one friendly ship at range 1. That ship may perform an action treating it as a red maneuver. That's an interesting card. Now it makes me want to have a Z95. Huh? And here's the thing. Here's a good thing about this thing. You get lots of pilots. A low hook, it's Kate gave Wookiee Chef, Kashyyyk Defense. I don't know what these cards even are. I have no idea what that ship is, but that's a cool looking ship. Hopefully I get it. Harris and Dula. Oh yes, so these will be what's that other ship on the Ghost? You got Harris and Dula, Sabine Wren, Ezra Bridger. That's a good one. Zeb, Finn Ra. I don't remember Finn Ra. There's another Ezra Bridger. The Phantom. Yeah, so there was the Ghost, and then there's two Phantoms. So there are two Phantoms here. There are two different Phantoms there. Let me see. Well, the Good Hard Snuggler. Hawk 290 Light Freighter. That's a good ship. I don't have that ship. I don't have a lot of Rebel ships. I just kind of bought this to show you what was in it. Aha, here we go. Here we go. So, we got the TIE Fighter, we got Ezra, we got Sabine, we got Rex, we got Zia. Yeah, I like those. Like those a lot. Corin Horn, Gavin Darklight, Rogue Squadron Escort. These are all E-Wings. Okay, so E-Wings. I don't know, there's really no pilot that I like for the E-Wing here, I don't think, but, oh yeah, and then you got the U-Wing, Cassian Andor and Billy Rooks. Yeah, those are pretty cool. I liked Cassian Andor. I really am a Rogue One fan, and yes, I do have a U-Wing, but this U-Wing comes from, what's that guy's name? Now I can't remember his name, but it comes from that one guy's crew. I'll have it written down somewhere so I can tell you guys, but these guys come in that one guy's crew, and Saw Gerrera. There you go. These guys come from, it's Saw Gerrera's Renegade. That's the name of the package that these guys came from. I do plan to get another U-Wing. Alright. So, you got a bunch of different types of bases. Stuff for new ships. You got, I wonder what these are. So, if I could just tear open the bag. Couple more pilots here. Hank Currell, Nora Wexler, Evan. So yeah, there is a couple of Y-Wings and X-Wings there. And, I mean, I'll show you the big packs. Where did I put those? Yeah, sorry this isn't well planned out or anything. I don't have too many ships, really. You know what I did notice? This didn't come with the Falcon. It doesn't matter because I have the Resistance Falcon, but I don't see the Falcon in this, Millennium Falcon. Maybe there is, and I just haven't gotten to it yet. But, oh yeah! There's the Falcon. You also got the Ghosts. Yeah, okay. So, I just didn't see the cards. Maybe they're in a different pack. Just a bunch of upgrade ships that you need. A whole lot of dials. Whole lot of dials. I hope that, the one problem I have is which dial goes to which. I'm pretty sure you can just compare it with the dial that came with the ship and you'll find out, but at the same time, there's a whole lot of dials. And you know what else this comes with? This is great. It comes with ID tokens. I really like the fact that this whole thing comes with ID tokens as well. Alright. Great. Great upgrade. Great upgrade. Definitely, you just need all of that. I'm gonna like punch all of this out later. This video was already 15 minutes long. I'm not gonna go too much longer. You got a couple of cards, upgrade cards. There's a couple of more pilot cards in this one, so we'll just open this one. Oh boy, if I can get it open, dang. Doesn't really want to open for me. Okay. So, oh, we got some Ewings. We got some K-Wing pilots. You know what? Out of all the ships that I don't have, the K-Wing is probably the ship that I most want, and I don't know why, but that is the fact. Shara Bay on the Arc 170. I was looking at the Arc 170. You know what? I've never really been a fan of the Arc 170. I like the Z95 headhunter though. And then you have the Falcon. You got Han Solo, you got Lando, Chewbacca, and Outer Rim Smuggler. The thing is, I have the Resistance Falcon, so I can't even put these on it, but I was planning to get the other Falcon anyway, so when I do that, I'll do that on there. When I do that, I'll put that on there. Yeah, and then you got the VC 100 Light Freighter. You got all of their cards. This is a great pack. Alright, you just got 100 pilots. And then just the rest of these cards are just insane. Look, your upgrade cards. A whole lot of upgrade cards. I mean, there are a total of 3 decks of upgrade cards. I'm not going to go through the upgrade cards. The pilots are what you guys want to see. Let's see, what else is inside here? Yes. The book. And boy. So, nope, just kind of a basic rule book here. Nothing. I was hoping that this would, you know, tell you what the pilot, the dial pilot and ships go to, but I guess not. Not this time. And then you have all your buttons for all of these. Granted, there are quite a bit of those. Oh, I like that. Force tokens. I didn't even see those down there. That's handy. So, in terms of my review, I say you got a lot, and I do mean a lot, of ships. I like these pilots. This is just a big stack of pilots. It's too bad I don't really have many, Rebel ships. I only have a few. I plan to buy more. I am going to get the Resistance kit, and of course, I have a lot of Empire ships, so I do plan to buy the Empire ships as well. I'm eventually going to end up with the whole collection. I really am. Because I absolutely love the game. I'm not going to stop buying it here. But in terms of my review for this pack, I'm happy with it because, boy, I didn't really realize how many upgrade cards came with this thing. But I really, really do like the fact that it came with that many pilots. Because that's going to be really handy when you buy more ships. So the question is, should you do it like I did? Should you buy this before you buy your other ships? You could, and it would make it a little easier because you're probably going to end up with a lot of 1.0 ships anyway. If you can buy 2.0, you should buy 2.0. But a lot of the times you're going to end up with 1.0 ships anyway. So, yeah, no matter what, you're going to need this. You're going to need this this expansion pack, this conversion kit, if you will. And dang, I'm just impressed with how many pilots that is. That's a lot of darn cards. Look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. That's a thick pile of cards. Alright, so this video is going on a little too much longer, and I'm going to just be absolutely nuts. Thank you guys for watching. I really did like the conversion kit. I thought it would be just a fun video just to watch me unbox all of my pilots. I know. Why don't you just unbox all of these? It's like, do you see how many? Do you know how long this video is? I don't want to do any more of that. Thank you guys for watching, and I am out. I'm going to go play with a couple punch outs. Yep, thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Bye.